Hello all, today in this video I am going to describe how to make a journal regarding journal template. Previously also I have made a video regarding this, but in that video itself I would have said that we will provide a journal template. In some cases it will come this template is not valid. No, so in this video we will take steps how to rectify that and how to use that template. So first just open the research paper which you have ready, make ready for your journal. So next just take the developer as it previously. So from that, take the document template and click attach, and then just move to the folder in which you are holding that particular journal template. So I'm moving to the folder which my journal template is found. So initially it will not come. The journal template will not come. So for that you have to click this option, all Word documents, and now I am using this access template. This access template is nothing but the IEEE. I think you will all aware of this journal IEEE access. This access template is the template of IEEE access journal only. So we can click open. Once you can click open, it will attach to this document template and automatically update document styles. Always check this automatically update um, document styles and then click OK. So in this case here it is coming that the document template is not valid. So okay, so we can move to our step. So come to home tab and in that click this arrow mark, below arrow mark, this style. So change styles, there is a drop down button and after that there is an window, pop down window button. So just click that. Here you can see some styles, no? So in that in the end of that styles you can see three things, that is new style, style inspector, then manage styles. Just click this manage styles option. Once you click this manage style option, a window will open like this. So in that you have to click import bar export, and after that this is the paper which template which the paper is already having. So if you need this template means kindly keep it as such, or else delete. We can delete by selecting all and just you have to put delete button. So everything will get deleted, but the default the word will have some default fonts. No, that will not get deleted. For that you have to put okay like that. And now you can see this is only the default of the word. So next we can delete this also. Sorry, we can close this by using this close file. Once we give close file, the all the fonts in that get deleted, you can see it. Now give open file. In the open file, just move to the folder which you are saving the template of the journal which you need to proceed. Just move to that folder, and as previously you have to select all Word documents, and from there we I am selecting this access uh, template and I am clicking open. Now you can see the access template fonts are displayed over here. Now we have to copy this fonts into our document fonts. For that you just click select all of the fonts in access template and we have to move to our research paper. Since here coming as research paper, because I have saved the Word document as research paper, so it is coming as research paper. If you would have saved as manuscript or some other else, that name will appear here. And here you can see access template. As you see, we have saved the template IEEE access template as access template. Here it is come like that. So just select all the thing. For selecting all the thing, you can use the shift button and then just click the copy button and also yes to all. Now you can see these fonts are moved over here, and thus Click this close, not those close files, the final close you are having, no, just click this close. And now you can see the style is automatically changed, no. So now we have to use this styles to our word. Here the abstract they have given. So this is the abstract. Just we can select this abstract and we have to put the abstract these things and all as previously only. It is not changing. But the thing which we are providing the font from the template to the word is only changing. So keywords also as it is. In order to check whether we are using the correct font only, we can move to the folder itself and we can open that template in another Word file so that we can check from that itself. I am just opening that as a template. Here I am clicking it and here also I am taking the style button. Now we can, I have clicked the topic, that is the article title, and I am checking which font is applied to that. Here they have applied the paper title font, so I am moving to the research paper and I am now here I am searching for the paper title. Here it is having, so just we have to give the paper title. Now you can see it is changed automatically. Before it was having some other color, now it has moved automatically. Now then we can move to the author. For author they have given this AU after PT. So like that, if you need to check whether we are providing the correct font means, you can use the open the original template and just check whether we are using the original template or not. So here you can see after introduction they are using a double column. So that is double column we cannot obtain by this uh, template, but we have to do it manually only. It is not just a simple process only. Just select all the parts which we have to put double column and then move on to this page layout. Here they have given a column the button dot column. So in that they have given two. No, just click two and just delete this. And now you can see the paper is moved to this two column font. That's all. So if you have any other doubts regarding this journal template modification mean template how to work with this journal template means, kindly make a comment in the comment box so that we will work on it and we will make a next video regarding that. Thank you.